Crystallization. Crystals are the purest solid form of a substance having a definite geometrical shape. Common substances such as sugar, salt, and alum are all made of crystals. Crystallization is a technique or a process of obtaining crystals of a soluble substance from its hot saturated solution is called crystallization. Crystallization is only a physical change because no new substances are formed during the process. It involves only a change in physical state. Crystallization is used to obtain pure substances from naturally occurring in pure substances. You must be aware that seawater is salty. Water obtained from any source have some dissolved minerals or salts in them. In seawater, the amount of dissolved salts is very large. As a result, seawater tastes salty. In fact, the seawater is so salty that it is used to obtain salts. These salts can be obtained by the evaporation of seawater. This technique of separation is not good because the salts obtained in this manner are not pure and their crystals are small. By obtaining crystals, we are able to purify certain substances. Here is an experiment to see how crystallization occurs. Take 100 milliliter of water in a beaker and heat it on a Bunsen burner. When water begins to boil, add few drops of dilute sulfuric acid and then a spoonful of copper sulfate powder. Stir the contents with a glass rod. Stir it continuously and add more impure copper sulfate powder until no more of it dissolves. Now, fasten the thread in the middle of the wooden stick and place this wooden stick in such a way that the thread is suspended into the glass. Stop heating and pour the saturated copper sulfate in the glass. Place the glass aside and cover the beaker with the cardboard. Leave the setup for 24 hours. After 24 hours, you will find big blue crystals of copper sulfate stick to the thread suspended in the glass and at the base of the beaker. Then remove the crystal from the glass and dry it. What do you observe? You observe that pure crystals of copper sulfate are obtained by crystallization.